Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll create this kind of earrings. And as always, all necessary materials you will find in the description below this video. Let's start. First of all, you will need to take around meter of wire. I have here size 26. We will start with creating a loop here to attach it to the clasp later. So we just fold it in half, take round nose pliers and just bend. Now we take a pearl and we will cover our loop with the pearl. Then we will bend these two wires together. To make earrings equal, we will measure from the back side. Like that we will know where exactly should be our pearls and crystals. So here I will need to add crystal and pearl. And you continue to bend wires. We have now crystal from one side, pearl in the middle. Now we need to add one more crystal from right side and one more pearl. Bend, make sure everything is straight and nice, and we take pearl. This pearl will go in between of our crystals. Measure it from the back side. And we take another pearl. And we put it on the right side. Again measure. Now we add crystal and pearl from one side. Always measure. Again, crystal and pearl from one side. And one more pearl and crystal, and then we will add our mother of pearl flower. And now, here as you can see, we have a empty space, and we enter in our mother of pearl flower. We place it where we want to see it. Then we take freshwater pearl in a bit pink color, this way. Then you enter only in the mother of pearl flower. Pull, and you start to scroll our flower to put it on its place. Don't worry if it is a bit loose, because then we will go around the wire here and we will attach it better to our future earring. Now we need to check that all our details are on places where we need. As well, I will check it from the back side. It is good now, so I need to secure my wires and attach better my flower. For it, with one of the wires I go in the front and I start to go around my pearls, around my flower. Same with other wire. I need to fix it more. And couple of rounds I will do around one of the freshwater pearls. Then I go with my wire in the front here and I will cut it. Then with the help of pliers I will just attach it better to other wires this way, and I will put it back on its place. And same I will do with my second wire as well, around the flower and around one of the crystal or pearl. As you can see, our base for our second earring is ready. Now we will need to attach our clasp. We just open it and we attach to our loop what we created from the beginning here. And close. Our earrings are ready. As you can see, technique is not so difficult, but here is very important that these earrings are nice and beautiful from the back side as well. And there is no wire which can scratch our client. These kind of earrings can be perfect for the wedding, or if you will create them for the bridesmaids. Another very important thing is that all your wires are straight and accurate. Like that, your earrings will be just perfect for your special day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like this video and comment below if you have any questions or suggestions to my channel. See you soon in my next tutorials. Have a nice day. Bye!